Have you ever wondered about the best places to visit in the US? Today, we dive into an exciting countdown of the top 50 destinations, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems, from awe-inspiring national parks to captivating local spots. Each location holds a unique story, a rich culture, and a plethora of things to do. We're about to embark on a journey across the diverse landscapes of America. So buckle up and get ready for a whirlwind tour of America's must-see destinations. Kicking off our list at number 50 is the lively city of Austin, Texas, renowned for its vibrant music scene. Next, we head east to the majestic Great Smoky Mountains in North Carolina, a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. At number 48, we have sunny San Diego, California, home to beautiful beaches and a charming historic district. Moving on to number 47, the Windy City, Chicago, Illinois, stands tall with its iconic skyline and deep dish pizzas. Onward to number 46, the Grand Canyon in Arizona, a natural wonder that leaves everyone awestruck. The 45th spot takes us to Charleston, South Carolina, a city that exudes southern charm and rich history. Following closely at number 44 is the vibrant city of Miami, Florida, famous for its stunning beaches and lively nightlife. The 43rd spot is held by the stunning Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado, while the bustling metropolis of Houston, Texas, takes the 42nd spot. Finally, at number 41, we have the breathtaking Yellowstone National Park, a paradise for wildlife and nature lovers. And that brings us to the end of our first 10 places. Excited for more? Let's continue. Moving on, at number 40, we have the sun-kissed beaches of Miami, a paradise for sunseekers and party lovers alike. Next, at 39, is the historical city of Boston, brimming with a rich tapestry of American history. At 38, we encounter the majesty of the Grand Canyon, a sight that leaves every visitor breathless. Coming in at 37, we have the vibrant culture and music of New Orleans, a city that dances to its own rhythm. At 36, we find the serene beauty of Yosemite National Park, a haven for nature lovers. At 35, we have the bustling city of Houston, famous for its space center. Next, at 34, we find the eclectic city of Austin, known for its live music scene. At 33, we have the picturesque vineyards of Napa Valley, a must-visit for wine enthusiasts. At 32, we encounter the unforgettable skyline of Chicago. Finally, at 31, we have the awe-inspiring Rocky Mountains, a paradise for adventurers. We're making our way down the list, and the places are getting even more impressive. Starting our next segment at number 30 is the sunny city of San Diego, famous for its warm weather and sandy beaches. Moving on to number 29, we have the rugged beauty of the Grand Canyon, a must-see for anyone seeking awe-inspiring natural vistas. At 28, the bustling city of Houston offers a blend of southern hospitality and cosmopolitan charm. Next up, at 27, is the historic city of Boston, a treasure trove of American history. Number 26 takes us to the serene and picturesque landscapes of Yellowstone National Park. Diving into number 25, we find ourselves in the vibrant city of New Orleans, known for its rich culture and lively festivals. At 24, the Rocky Mountains beckon with their majestic peaks and abundant outdoor activities. For number 23, the city of Nashville promises a hearty dose of music and southern comfort. At 22, we explore the glitz and glam of Las Vegas. Lastly, number 21 brings us to the sunny beaches of Miami, a tropical paradise within the continental US. We're more than halfway through our countdown, and there's still so much more to see. Breaking into the top 20, at number 20, we find the bustling city of Dallas, Texas, home to the famous Dallas Cowboys and a rich history. Swooping to number 19, we have the awe-inspiring Yosemite National Park, a haven for nature enthusiasts. At 18, it's the historic Boston, Massachusetts, with its cobblestone streets and revolutionary past. Number 17 takes us to the sunny beaches of Miami, Florida, a paradise for sunseekers. Coming in at 16, we land in Charleston, South Carolina, known for its pastel antebellum houses and horse-drawn carriages. At 15, the vibrant city of New Orleans, Louisiana, renowned for its lively music scene and distinct cuisine. Number 14 is the Grand Canyon in Arizona, a natural wonder that leaves visitors speechless. We hit the waves at 13 with Honolulu, Hawaii's tropical paradise. At 12, it's the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Finally, at number 11, we have Savannah, Georgia, with its historic charm and beautiful oak-lined streets. As we approach the top 10, the anticipation is building. And now we've reached the top 10. Coming in at number 10 is the awe-inspiring Yellowstone National Park. This geological wonder boasts breathtaking geysers, stunning wildlife, and some of the most diverse ecosystems in the country. Next, at number 9, we find ourselves in the heart of Texas at the bustling city of Austin. Known for its vibrant music scene and mouth-watering barbecue, Austin truly embodies the spirit of the Lone Star State. Number 8 takes us to the Grand Canyon in Arizona. Carved by the Colorado River, this natural wonder is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. At 7th place, we have the charming and historic city of Savannah, Georgia. This southern gem is known for its well-preserved architecture, picturesque squares, and rich history. Coming in at number 6, we land at the sunny beaches of Maui, Hawaii. Known for its stunning beaches, lush landscapes, and friendly locales, Maui is a tropical paradise. We're just about to crack the top 5, and the best is yet to come. Here we are, the top 5. Starting us off at number 5 is the iconic Yellowstone National Park. With its geysers, hot springs, and diverse wildlife, it's a testament to nature's unbridled power and beauty. A place where you can truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the wilderness. At number 4, we have the bustling city of New York, the city that never sleeps indeed, with a vibrant culture, towering skyscrapers, and a culinary scene that's as diverse as its population. The Big Apple is truly a place where dreams can come true. Coming in at number 3 is the breathtaking Grand Canyon. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, it offers some of the most dramatic landscapes on the planet. It's not just a canyon, but a journey through time itself. The runner-up at number 2 is the sunny beaches of Hawaii. With its tropical climate, vibrant coral reefs, and the aloha spirit, it's a paradise like no other. It's the perfect place to relax and soak in the beauty of nature. And there you have it. The number 1 place to visit in the U.S. is the majestic Yosemite National Park. With its towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and ancient sequoia trees, it's a place that truly captures the heart of America's natural beauty. But remember, every place on this list offers its own unique charm and experience. What an incredible journey through the 50 best places to visit in the U.S. We've traversed coastlines, climbed mountains, and explored bustling cities, each one a gem in its own right. Remember the awe-inspiring Grand Canyon with its sun-bathed hues of red and gold? The sheer magnitude of this natural wonder is enough to make anyone feel a sense of immense wonder. Recall the vibrant city of New Orleans, where music and culture blend seamlessly in the French Quarter. The city's vivacious spirit, the taste of its gumbo, and the rhythm of its jazz. These are experiences that stay with you long after your visit. And let's not forget the serene tranquility of the great Smoky Mountains, where the world seems to hold its breath in reverence of nature's grandeur. The misty peaks and lush forests are a salve for the weary soul, a reminder of the quiet beauty that exists in the world. Or the bustling streets of New York City, where dreams take shape and the world is at your fingertips. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the serene beauty of Central Park, New York City is a testament to the diversity and dynamism that the USA has to offer. These places, and the 46 others we've mentioned, each hold a unique charm and offer an array of experiences that are distinctly American. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, a history buff, or a foodie, there's a place in the USA that's waiting for you to explore. Each of these destinations offers not just sights to see, but stories to live. They are not just places on a map, but experiences waiting to unfold, memories waiting to be made. The beauty of travel is in the journey, not just the destination. It's about the people you meet, the food you taste, the sights you see, and the stories you create. So, whether you're planning your first trip or your 50th, there's always something new to discover in the beautiful USA. No matter where you choose to go, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. So get out there and start exploring the beautiful USA.